Good morning, students. I will teach you SST today.
Yes, my favorite period.
Okay, let's start our class. Today's chapter is the land of snow. The regions around the poles are called polar regions. Around the North Pole is the Arctic Ocean. This ocean is surrounded by Asia, Europe, and North America. Greenland. Greenland, the world's largest island, is situated near the North Pole. This country remains under snow and ice throughout the year. The original inhabitants of Greenland are the Inuits. They call their country Kalalit Nuntak, which means the land of the people. Now, let me tell you about the location of Greenland. Greenland is located towards northeast of North America. More than two-thirds of the island is located towards north of the Arctic Circle. The Baffin Bay and David Strait separate Greenland from northern islands of Canada. Greenland is a part of Denmark. Look at the picture given on the board. Let me tell you about the land of Greenland. Greenland covers an area of about 21.5 lakh square kilometers. Its land looks white as about 80% of all the land is permanently under snow and ice. The average thickness of the ice sheets is about 1500 meters. The lower layer of this ice sheet may have existed since the last ice age. Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of ice age?
Sir, the time, many years before, when the ice sheets covered large areas of land was called Ice Age.
Very good, Jerry. Now let's continue our class. Huge pieces of ice often break away from the ice sheets and slide down into the sea. These are called icebergs. These blocks of ice look like frozen mountains floating in the seas. These are often not visible due to thick fog. Icebergs are very dangerous for ships that sail through this region. Look at the board. See how they look. Now, let me tell you about the climate of Greenland. Greenland has an Arctic type of climate. The winters are long and cold. The sun does not rise for several weeks. The temperature drops below the freezing point and snows heavily. Extremely cold and chilly winds blow here. Summer is short and cool. The weather is bright and sunny, especially in the coastal areas. Even though there is continuous sunlight for several weeks, it is still very cold. Now, let me tell you about the vegetation of Greenland. Seeds germinate and plants grow in the summer season. The only plants that grow here are mosses, lichens, grasses, and bushes. Some flowers bloom in the spring. Both summer and spring are very short in Greenland. There are no forests. No crops can grow here due to the cold climate. Now let's know about the wildlife of Greenland. Only animals with thick furry coats or those which can withstand extreme cold can survive in Greenland. Wolves, like dogs called huskies, are used for hunting and for pulling sledges. Look at the pictures of other animals on the board. Life of the people. The Inuits, also called Eskimos, came to Greenland from North America and settled here many years ago. Over time, they have adapted themselves to the harsh climate. The Inuits are short and snout. Their flat faces, narrow eyes, and copper yellow skin. They wear clothes made of seal skin. Their jacket, called parkas, have hoods to cover their heads. They generally wear double trousers and high boots, also made of seal skin, to keep themselves warm. Look at the board. One picture is there showing an Inuit family. The people who live in the north build snow houses or igloos during the winter season. They use large blocks of ice to construct them. The igloos are dome-shaped. A hole is made in the center of the dome to allow smoke and hot air to pass through. The floor is covered with skins and fur of animals. During the summer, people live in tents made of animal hide. These are called tow pigs. The Inuits are hard-working, cheerful, and hospitable people. For hundreds of years, they live by hunting fish and gathering roots during summer and spring. In the past, they got most of their things they needed by hunting animals. Nowadays, they can buy goods from other countries. Occupation. Inuits are skilled fishermen and hunters. They hunt animals for their meat, skin, and fat. Earlier, they used harpoons to hunt animals. Now, they use automatic rifles. The Inuits use small boats called kayaks to hunt sea animals. Look at the picture of kayaks on the boat. A border boat called Umiak is used to hunt whales. Look at the picture of Umiak on the board. These boats are also used for transportation. On land, Inuits use sledges. The life cycle of Inuits has undergone many changes in recent times. Now they use motorboats and motorized sledges. Look at the pictures of motorboats and motorized sledges on the board. Many people also work in mines and oil fields. A large number of Inuits have migrated to towns and cities.
Sir, now, Greenland has cities too.
Yes, I will tell you about them. The thick ice sheets of ice have restricted settlements to the coastal areas. There are very few large towns in Greenland. Nuuk is the capital of Greenland and it is the largest city. Sisimiut and Isisula are other big cities. The total population of Greenland is about 56,000.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel Little Master and share and like too.